I became a millionaire by 29 years old, but we're not here to talk about me. We're here to talk about you and what you can do with an everyday salary to become a millionaire much earlier than your peers. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. However, it is a proven way to invest over time, but I'm going to warn you, I might hurt some feelings because this is the hard truth. Let's dive into it.
Welcome to the Smack Fest, the beat down. The SWAT team is here on another beautiful day of shutting the week down.
And if we're just meeting, welcome to the channel. My name is William Dauria. I own a portfolio of real estate investments of single family, multifamily, and commercial units. I have a buy and hold portfolio that I live off the passive income, and I'm going to show you how to do the same. On this channel, we also learn about personal finance. That's the video we're making today because you cannot invest if you don't have anything to invest with. So with that said, I am going to share with you a quick statistic and show you how the majority are actually living now. So according to the Washington Post, almost 80% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. Now, you're going to see them in cars such as this. You're going to see them in houses such as this. And at the end of the month, they all have this left over. That is a few bucks, and that is their excuse of not being able to invest because they don't have the money to invest because they don't pay themselves first. So now we're going to talk about smart money Bob. So introducing him as the smart investor, meet Bob. Bob works at a typical construction company you find all over the United States. His annual salary is $50,000 take home. Give and take that salary a little bit to match your story. Bob is now 22 years old. He lives in this house. Bob's mortgage on that house, his PITI, that's principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, all combined are $850 on this house. His car here, he purchased for cash for $2,500. He calls it Old Faithful because it's easy to work on and it hasn't let him down, at least in the last 6 months. It's a semi-reliable car that takes him from point A to point B, has AC most days, and is very easy to fix on his own. That's a small joke. Basically what I'm saying is he bought a cheap $2,500, $3,500 cash car that does the job. It's nothing fancy, but it works. And that's what I want you to take away from that car statement. So let's dig into Bob's finances to see exactly where he's at and how he's going to become an everyday millionaire at half of the typical retirement age. Watch this. Bob's expenses are the following. His house is $850. His car is already paid off, but his insurance is $40 per month. His electrical and utilities equal $150 per month. His cell phone, his gas combined with a little bit of miscellaneous is another $200 per month. He does not have cable. He watches YouTube for free on his phone or streams YouTube on his smart TV, so he does not have a monthly subscription for TV. His monthly total living expenses, including his $400 per month in a food allowance, is $1,640 per month, leaving him with an excess $2,500 per month that he can now invest. Now, according to Dave Ramsey, this is on DaveRamsey.com's website, the S&P 500 has averaged 12% return on an annual basis. So at $2,500 a month, that's $30,000 per year he can put into this. Think of it like this. He puts 30 grand in, 12% interest hits on top. And then you take that 12 and the 30 plus the additional 30 from the next year, another 12 hits that on top. Plus you're earning interest on interest. And this is the snowball effect that creates wealth in such an incredible way. Now you might be asking, 12% on the S&P 500, it didn't do that last year. See, it doesn't do it every single year. But historically, going way back to the 1920s all the way up to now, we have averaged 12% annual return on the S&P 500 yearly. This also includes what they call the lost decade from the year 2000 to 2009, which is -1% across all 9 years as an average. Also, from 1990 to 1999, averaged 18%, with an all-time high in 2013 of 32.43%. I wish I had all my money in at 2013, but hindsight is always 2020. So getting back to Bob's story, Bob invests in year 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. We're going to assume he continues at $30,000 a year. That's $2,500 a month. If he gets a raise, he's still going to invest $30,000. Maybe he can treat himself to a little bit nicer car. He's already doing a good job. He's going to stick with the $30,000, mainly to keep my math easy, okay? But $30,000, $30,000, $30,000 at 12% annual interest as an average. This is when it becomes interesting. By age 36 years old, in the S&P 500, he would have a total of $1,088,386. And if you're wondering how much interest does that money now alone per year generate, and at 12% on that money without putting any more money in generates $130,606 yearly without any additional capital whatsoever. So you can see by age 36 he's worth $1.1 million, and every year after that is adding a 6-figure amount plus his $30,000 contribution every single year. So what did we just show you? Let's recap. Bob makes about $50,000 take-home pay. He invests $2,500 of that per month. That's literally more than half, but that's all he needs to live on here in the great state of Texas. And his car is an A to B transportation. He doesn't do anything extravagant. He doesn't go out to eat. He doesn't waste his money on foo-foo, garbage, basically landfill, like so many people buy every single day online. Get the truck pulling up and they woohoo, run to the front door and open it up and yay, it's my sweater that I'll probably never wear and it'll be sitting up there until I donate it one day with the tags on. That is landfill, and that is what Bob does not do. Now by doing this, he is a millionaire by 36, technically by 35, and he still has the rest of his life to invest, live, or do whatever he wants because he has earned it. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this method? Do you think it's smart? Do you think it's a safe way to go? Or would you put your money in something else? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button for your YouTube algorithm. Share it if you think somebody needs it. And until next time, I will see you on the next one.